So we're gonna start our barber. Nalingaw kung tanaw sa ABCBN. Watching ABCBN something. Ito sa recorded when they were like doing ano ang kaso sa Congress. You found it? I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it off because ruin my mood. I use this one today. Saan ka remote one na?
Baby, patrol na po ito. Ayun,
so like that.
Isagin sa ko na yan.
Mandok mo ko. Na.
Sulayan sa tingalin na kayo. Sulayan sa ba?
Sige, wait, sorry. So I'm gonna cook lunch now. I didn't finish trimming his hair yet. It failed. I don't know what happened. I can't do it anymore like before, and now I'm not in the mood anymore. So the clipper is low bat, so we have to charge it first, and while it's charging I'm gonna make lunch for now. So I'll cook chicken afritada today. He's upstairs. Not happy with what happened. I'm not happy as well. I feel stressed. I'm stressing about it right now, so I'm not in the mood to do it. But I will continue that one later on. I'm gonna show you. We'll see if I can show you what happened with that clipper. Because I can't control my hand with a clipper. Said I think I did that last time, the first time, but I don't know how that happened. Maybe it was just lucky that I did it. Right now, I don't know why I can't do it. He tries to be cool about it, but I know it doesn't look good. I'm not happy with the result. I hope I can fix it after we charge the clipper. I tried using the scissor, but I think it just got worse. So here's what I need: chicken. I'm using here chicken thigh, and I cut it in half because I want it smaller. Then this is garlic, onion, capsicum, the red one, potatoes and carrots, also tomato sauce, cheese. This is the only cheese that I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. I also like to add liver spread on it, but I don't have it right now, so we're gonna skip that. When I will add the tomato sauce, I really don't have like a measurement to it. I will just see how much I want. So maybe this is about 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Now it's boiling. I'm going to add the cheese. So the cheese makes it creamier and it also smells good. Now I'll simmer it for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to leave this open because I want the sauce to evaporate a little bit. By the way, I'm going to add my red capsicum while it simmers. I am now preparing the rice because my chicken afritada is ready. Get the rice. Here's my chicken afritada. Here. Come closer. Show them it. There, it's so creamy. So we'll add it in the rice. Make it more delicious. Not me. I know I'm delicious, but I'm talking about the afritada. There. Finish. Let's eat. I actually like the chicken now. And it's really soft. I cook it well because sometimes I hate cooked chicken because I don't like it all the time.
Chicken pan.
But this one is so soft. I like it. It's cooked properly. I think I boiled this one. I let it boil twice or thrice and then simmer it for 20 minutes. You still look good. Turn around. Turn around. This is an audition for... We just don't close up it. Close up it. The whole day today, all we did is cut his hair.
Not whole day, half day.
I was starting 11, then I just stopped for
No,
about an
we
hour
started
to
around
cook.
2 o'clock.
No!
1 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
No, we started in the morning before I cook.
Yeah, before you cook, we did have breakfast.
Okay, one half day. It's now 11. My plan is to sleep 9:30 or 10, but it's now 11 because tomorrow is school day. So they're just going to study at home, but still we are going to follow schedule, same as like really going to school. So they'll start 9, so that means we have to be awake before 9. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So see you on my next vlog. Good night.